tomorrow is the day. It's going to be tomorrow, Saturday morning, and time has come for us to actually work on the floor. And we're going to go, we've been looking around to try to find who has a floor sander. We looked online for a drum sander to do the floor, and I've never used one before, so we'll need to figure out tomorrow. But we found out that Lowe's has it and Home Depot has it, so we'll have to see where we can find it, what's the better price, what it all entails. But we'll see tomorrow how all that's going to work out. Alright, we're at Lowe's and we are looking for stain for the floor, and we have run into this we're thinking of doing, or this is a 2-hour drying, this is a 4-hour drying and recoating, so we're trying to figure out which one will be the better one. And we're also wondering if we should use the satin, semi-gloss, or gloss. Beginning to do the floors. Man, it's looking really nice. Kind of looks white, I guess, and then it starts darkening.
It clears up too.
Clears up. Oh yeah, that becomes more clear.
As you see over there, it looks great. But where I just put it looks weird.
Yeah, it does look a little bit weird. But man, this is pretty impressive. You did a great job. So this is the 2 hour.
Agreement with, I don't know, Santa Claus or?
I don't remember. Oh, we'll find out later on. I think Santa Claus. Okay, it has been a couple of days or 3 days since we finished up the room, at least the floor that we've been working on. And I wanted to show you what it looks like, and what small mistakes that we've made that we need to fix, but also what successes we've had. So first of all, as you saw, we installed the fan, which I really like. And in the video you can't see it, but the bulbs are very warm color, so it kind of looks orange. And I want to make them get different bulbs that they're a little bit brighter and a little bit more neutral, because it makes the whole room look more yellow. Of course, we're going to be changing the wall color to help with that. One of the mistakes that we made was whenever my wife was putting down the varnish, she didn't see that there was a bit that pulled right here. So what we'll have to do is go back and sand it and just redo this little section. But while we're doing that, we also had to use a dowel to close all these holes. We need to sand them and we need to varnish those too. And we did that right. We just need to do it. And I did have to, I went a little bit too far down with the dowels here, so I had to put some wood putty, and we need to wait for that to dry. But the room, the floor looks a lot better. It doesn't look new, and I didn't expect it to, but it used to be black and it used to look really, really gross. They hadn't really done anything with it, I think, since the 60s. And they ended up, in the end, they ended up covering it with carpet, this kind of carpet, and we took it off, and now I think it looks a lot nicer, and of course it raises the value of the house. Outside of that, though, I'm pretty excited. This coming weekend we're going to be doing a few more things. There's some pretty big things coming up for this room that they're going to change the look of the room itself, but I'm just glad to finally have a light in there and not having to use a portable fluorescent shop light that I have been having, jerry rigging it to work. So see you guys